everybody. Welcome to MyExecutiveRanch for a new initiative that I'm doing called How About Right Now? I've had a lot of things around my house that I've needed to fix for a long time, and I'm just getting sick of them, and so I'm doing this initiative called How About Right Now? It's a little more complicated. It involves having adult ADHD and trying to deal with that, but we don't have to go into that. Basically, we're just going to try and take care of some long-standing issues that have always been bugging me, and we're going to do that. So let's see what the deal is. Today's edition is about the washing machine part. That does say part, that's a P, not an F, oh well. It's about the washing machine part that I've been meaning to order for a long time. Now, if you're listening at all, you can probably hear that the washing machine is making kind of a strange noise. Like, right? Oh, now it's not doing it. There, you heard it for a second. It's like the agitator just catches a little bit. And I'll open up the washing machine, and you can see what's going on. There we go. Now we have to do the magic thing where we stick our finger in the little hole to make it agitate. You can hear that noise, and you can see that the agitator is catching. It turns out that there are a couple of parts in that hole of the agitator, and the reason that the agitator is not agitating properly. Oh wow, my water's a little pink. Good thing I'm washing all pinks. The reason that the agitator is not agitating properly is that the part that controls the top of the agitator is broken. And so we're going to order a new one, and we're going to put it in, and I am going to make some videos about it because it's an important thing to get things done right now. So this is the one that I'm going to take care of right now. I'm going to make a little video of what kind of washing machine it is and the serial number so that I can use that to order the part. And then once I order the part, I'll share that with you, and then I'll make another video about actually fixing the washing machine. Yeah, you can really see what the problem is there. Anyway, that's it for this video. We're at about 2.5 minutes, which is as long as anybody should have to listen to me talk. And you'll see what's going on in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.